This is the final video to fix the error on Death Stranding on your ROG Ally. And if you've been struggling with crashes or the game not starting, you're in the right place. Many players face this problem because certain system files or drivers on the ROG Ally conflict with the game, causing it to fail during launch. You might have tried other solutions on YouTube or social media, but most of them are long, confusing, and hard to follow. On Rexish, I'll show you a simple trick that solves this error in just a few clicks without messing with complicated settings. First, make sure your GPU drivers and Windows updates are fully installed. Then I'll guide you to a small tweak in the game's configuration files that instantly stops the crash. This method works fast, keeps your save safe, and anyone can do it, even if you're not tech savvy. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing every click, comment below and I'll make it for you.